Hi, this is Elliot from VMware's Technical Publications Department. And in this video, I'm going to give you some tips on using our HTML-based help documentation for VMware personal desktop products. Note, this video does not apply to VMware Fusion Help, which uses the Apple Viewer format. Occasionally, we get feedback like the following email a user sent recently saying, "I found a workstation help topic on cloning, but all it tells me is general information about cloning, not how to do it." That's a good example we can use to show how to use our help. So let's look in the help for how to clone a virtual machine in VMware Workstation, and I'll give you some tips for navigating our HTML-based help. Here's a VMware Workstation window. We'll go to the Help menu and select Help Topics. Here we see our HTML-based documentation. On the left is a navigation pane with several tabs for different ways to navigate the help set. On the right is the current help topic. And up here at the top of the window are some buttons I'll explain as we go along. You can adjust the width of the panes by dragging here. And notice that if a long entry is cut off, you can display the entire entry by hovering the mouse pointer over it. So, to search for the procedure to clone a virtual machine, let's start with the Contents tab in the navigation pane. The Contents tab organizes the help topics as you would find them in the table of contents for a book, listed under topic headings. Headings have a book icon, and you can click this icon to show or hide the subtopics under a heading. Click the text to display a topic. If we look through the contents for instructions on how to clone a virtual machine, we find the heading Cloning, Moving, and Sharing Virtual Machines. When you click the heading, the topic is displayed, and the contents tree expands to show the subtopics under this heading. Notice that the list of links on this main topic matches the subheadings under Cloning, Moving, and Sharing Virtual Machines in the contents. We'll select the link for cloning a virtual machine. This is the topic our user found and sent us feedback about. And just as the user said, the topic has general information about cloning, but no instructions for how to do it. So let's look at the contents again and see what else is available under cloning a virtual machine. The closed book icon tells us that there are subtopics. Sure enough, we have a topic called Creating Clones, and when we display that topic, we see the procedure that tells you how to do it. Sometimes, after expanding and collapsing the contents tree, you may lose track of where the current topic is in the contents. In that case, click this button, Show in Contents, and the contents will expand as necessary to show the topic, and we'll highlight it like this. While we're here, let's look at these other buttons. Use these buttons, Previous and Next, to step one topic at a time, backward and forward from the current topic. Here's a tip. Sometimes you might access one of our HTML documentation topics by searching the web. In some cases, you may find only the topic displayed, without the entire frame set that includes the navigation pane. If that's not the topic you need, click this Show Navigation button, and as you can see, the navigation pane is displayed, and you can search further. Scanning the contents is only one way to look for the information you want. You can also use the index, which, like the index in a book, lists topics alphabetically. So if you want to find out how to clone a VM, you can look for Clone in the index by clicking the C and then scanning down to the Clone index entries. We find two entries for creating clones, and you can click the one you want to go directly to that topic. If you prefer to search directly by keyword, use the Search tab. Here, you simply enter the term or terms you want to search for. As you can see, the search function may prompt you with related keywords based on what you enter. Notice that this help set has help for both Workstation and VMware Player, so you can use this field to specify where to search, in either or both help sets. We'll choose Workstation. Click Go, and the navigation pane displays all the topics that include both the keywords we searched on, ranked by the likelihood that the topic will have what we're searching for. We'll select the top ranked topic, Creating Clones. Notice that the topic is displayed with the search keywords highlighted. This highlighting helps you quickly find all the occurrences of the keywords without having to read the entire topic. To clear the highlighting, you can just go to the next topic and back, using the Next and Previous buttons. That's all you need to know to find information in our HTML-based help. But before I go, let me just point out two buttons up here in the toolbar. Use the Print button to print the current topic. The Print button displays the standard print dialog for your operating system. Use the Email button to send us feedback on the documentation. When you click the button, a new message is opened in your default email program, addressed to our docfeedback alias. The subject and message body contain the URL for the topic you were looking at. We appreciate your feedback. It helps us improve the documentation for you. Let us know when you can't find the information you're looking for. And remember, the more specific your feedback is, the better we can understand and address your problem. There is also a feedback link down here at the bottom of each topic, and there is a link to the VMware technical support site, where you can find a variety of support resources.